Good morning.
Morning.
Looks like you're first this morning.
Ooh, still can't figure out why my camera doesn't work.
I have no advice to offer.
Yeah, it's on my side. It says that it's going. The video's on, except yeah, it's black. So I don't know.
It'd be like the invisible man,
Yes, the
the invisible
imaginary.
violinist.
There you go. Sometimes that could be a good thing.
That's true. I'm hiding in the back of the classroom.
Right.
Good morning, Carla.
Good morning.
Oh, the lights are on at your house now. All right, so we are starting with D flat scale again. So, quick fingering review if necessary. We will once again go down and then up. I wonder if I put everything too close to the piano. Let's try that. So cello, if you want to think of finding C first, because that gives you a test note. D flat would be third position, second finger, 2-1. Shift to fourth position on the C string, 4-2-1. Shift to first, 4-2-1. And both of those 2-1s had spaces between them. So it's an open hand on the way up. Starting on the D flat, E flat, F, 1-2-4. Shift up the C string, G flat, A flat, B, 1-2-4 again, and then over to the G string, C, D flat. All right. And just in case, discussing violin fingers, if you also want to find C on the A string, and then put your 3 next to it, that'll make your D flat be in tune. So you got D flat, C, B flat. The 3 and the 2 touch, you'll have a space back to get your B flat back in the right spot. Then on the D string, A flat, low 4, G flat, low 3, F, low 2, but you're used to playing that ideally, low 1, and then the low 4 for the D flat will be on the G string, coming back up, low 4, low 1, low 2, low 3, low 4, low 1, low 2, low 3. So that gives you the overview. Um, we will go down and up with the snazzy metronome and in whole notes, and then I'll pause and try and make sure everybody who's coming this morning can actually get in. So, our fun morning rhythm this morning. There we go. Starting D flat, top of the scale. Ready, and 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. D flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat. Back up. G flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, E flat, C, D flat. Quick check here. Oh, looks like we got who we got right now. Let's try it again. Still in whole notes. 3, 4. without me. Good job. All right, so still whole notes, D flat scale, going down first. Ready, and D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, repeat the tonic, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat. This time dotted half notes. 1, 2, 3. C, 2, 3. B flat, 2, 3. A flat, 2, 3. This time it'll be half notes. Be ready. 1, 2. Change 2. Still half notes. Quarter notes next. D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F. Again. Again. Next time it's going to be eighth notes. Ready, and. Alright. Ideally you're a lot more awake than you were. I'd like to do the D flat arpeggio. We will start at the bottom of this one. So D flat, F, A flat, D flat, back and forth. Let's start with whole notes. 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Repeat the top. Again. of Buffalo Gals we did last week, and then start a new section of it, which I will teach from memory. It's kind of nice to do the arpeggio first, since it's got that arpeggio right at the beginning of it. So the old part of Buffalo Gals, 1, 2, 3. D flat, F, F, E flat, F, D flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, D flat. Makes you happy you practice your scales. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so here's the next little phrase. It's going to start on D flat, an octave higher than the D flat you were just playing. So we got D flat, C, B flat, A flat. Listen to it again. Alright, try it with me. Starting on D flat. Ready, and D flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat, F. Do it again. Another again. Alright, so the next little part is going to start on A flat. It steps and then skips. So we got A flat to G flat and then skip to E flat. So we're going to add that on to the part where we were starting before. 3, 4. Let's try it again. 3, 4. Again. 3, 4. So we're going to add on another measure. This measure starts with B flat. And that's what it sounds like. So we got B flat, and it steps, and then it skips again. So very similar to something you've already done. From our magic starting spot for today, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 3, 4. So I'm going to switch instruments so that everybody gets an idea of what fingering would be on theirs. We'll do violin next. And we are still doing that same little tiny spot, starting with D flat. Can you see the violin? Yes. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Same spot. 3, 4. So violins have it pretty easy. Get to kind of stay in the same position, play all those low fingered notes like you did in the scale. Cellos, on the other hand, get to shift all over the place. A little bit more cello hand. Alright, we are still starting in the same spot. Cellos, that would be starting in lower second. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so quick fingering review. It would be starting lowered second, 4, 3, 1. Shift to fourth position on the C string, 2, 4, 2, 2, shift to third, 1, 4, 2, 2, shift to first, 2, back to fourth, 4, 2, 2, and then third. Bet you're happy you played the violin this morning. Alright, however, the cellos are going to get really good at shifting. 1, 2, everybody go. Okay, let's do that again, same amount. 3, 4. Alright, so we are at the halfway through the second half moment, and the next section sounds like something you've already done, kinda. The difference between it and the first time we did it is a half note and 2 quarter notes. So it starts on D flat, cello, that would be third position straight across onto the G string. So we got D flat, C, B flat, so for cello it shifts to fourth position, A flat, B flat, A flat, F, and another F. So that's our big change. So we're going to do those 2 measures, starting on D flat, 3, 4. Again, 3, 4. Alright, so going on, it's going to be A flat, G flat, E flat, D flat. So start from the A flat with me. Cello would be third position, fourth finger, 3, 4. A flat, G flat, shift. Alright, so I want to put those 2 things together, starting from D flat in the middle, 3, 4. Sorry. I gave you crazy rhythm. Again, 3, 4. So connecting together both of those sections, starting second position for cello on D flat for everybody, where we started the new part for today. Buffalo Gals, won't you come out tonight? 3, 4. Let's do it again. 3, 4. So while I'm still holding the cello, I want to go back to the beginning and do everything we know together. So, as I was walking down the street, and then the Buffalo Gals. Starting on A flat, 1, 2, 3. I want to do today's new part first, so I'll be halfway through the song at Buffalo Gals, and then we'll go back and catch it all. So at the halfway point, measure 9 if you're looking at music, 3, 4. Taking it from the beginning, everything together, in 1, 2, 3. So viola players, that would be the fingering you're going to use for the second verse of it. So that would be halfway through measure, pick up to measure 17. You'd be A flat, D flat, starting your A flat on the D string. So that could be a helpful reference point. Switching to the piano, we'll do the new part first, and then everything. Here's the new part, 2, 3, 4. Okay, back to the beginning, putting it all together. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put it together with the rhythm we were practicing the scale with. So it's a Caribbean dance rhythm, so it's like going to be fusion song. And I'd like to do it twice in a row. So twice as much practice. 1, 2, 3. Any questions? Everybody's leaving their self muted, so there must not be any questions. All right, we got like 2 minutes. So with one of them, I'm going to do a little bit of D flat. Please play back what I'm playing. I am starting on D flat. Here's your first pattern. Okay, play it back. And here's your next pattern. A flat is your first note. Play it back. Pattern number 3. Play it back. Last pattern. Your turn. Alright. Fastest sound exploring ever. Next time we'll do more of that. And I'd like to do more of Buffalo Gals and probably the minor scale, assuming it seems like everybody's stable on the scale that's supporting Buffalo Gals. So I'll decide for sure midweek. I can give you an idea of what will happen. Yeah, because it'll be the penultimate Sound Explorers before school starts again. So everybody have a really great week.
Thank you, Miriam.
You're welcome.
Bye, everybody.
Good day, everybody.